So Liana asked a question earlier in the week regarding a HECS debt. So she asked, hey Martin, on my sponsor application, we just realized that I forgot to add my HECS help debt under the section, has the sponsor ever had an outstanding debt to the Australian government or any public authority in Australia? Should we change this or should we just leave it? Just don't want to affect the outcome of the application. And my answer to that was, look, ultimately the best practice approach is to answer all questions as accurately as possible, both on the visa application form and on the sponsorship application form. So if you've identified that you've made a mistake, such as Liana did, in terms of not declaring the HECS debt, which is a government debt, then the advice is, look, I would suggest going back, updating the information and making sure that you declare the debt accurately, but understanding though that the sponsor having a HECS debt is not going to affect the application. It's not going to affect their sponsorship eligibility, but you still want to be declaring it. So you want to be including it accurately, but don't worry that it's going to cause a problem either because they have a debt or that you forgot to declare the debt and now you're trying to update and amend your answers. As long as you amend them, that's the important part, but everything else from there, you don't really need to worry.